How much?
67 cents.
Ava Rose? Hello, Ava Rose. Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Yola. Hello. And my name is Ava Rose, aka Ava Rose.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are here at the mall, and if you are new, my name is Antonio. My real homies call me Tone.
My name is Yola. As you can see, my name is Yola.
And her name is Ava Rose, aka Ava Rose.
Hello.
And this is me, her, and baby. Alright guys, we are at Old Navy right now. Yola's gonna teach you guys how to shop on a budget. We're not really on a budget, but it's just a cool video to do.
For
So
those people that are trying to get nice things, but as a mother, you know, you're buying food, stuff for your child, stuff for your husband.
it's
stuff for
expensive.
you, and stuff for the home. So this is what I do.
So look, this is everything we got right now. Well, this is a lot of clothes, right? This is for our little baby Ava.
18 to 24, and like these are 67 cents. $10, 97 cents.
Here,
Like,
scan
I'm not even lying to you. Ta-da! Magic.
So for all of those, we're at $22.48. That's
This
a
is for
lot
my new
of
baby.
clothes for 40.
$137 for the
Here.
new.
Boom.
$3.89. I'm gonna get this for my little new one. Yeah, we can't post this until we post what we're having.
Plus,
This jacket, guys, is $20 for $3.84. See, when I come here, I come alone sometimes because you know Antonio used to work.
okay, show them
now.
what it is. That's nice. $247.
I think this is the one that are full price.
$209.
$209. See, some of these don't even have prices. See, these are $10
It's
because
a no
we
go.
got a whole bunch.
This is $16. We don't need that. How much is that one?
$10.
$10. $10.
I think this is 10. But we
Those-
don't need those because
We got these for less. $137.
and these are 67 cents.
Well, show those pants. 69 cents, right? Oh, that one's.
It's for my little one.
That's not bad because that's the cute one. How much is it full price?
$22.99. This is for the new baby, you know. I like it. I thought it was cute.
Everything we got.
This is like really.
So all those clothes for our baby and a little bit for the new baby, $42.37. Obviously before tax.
$150.
Bro, so you spent $50 and you got all those clothes.
If you look at how much you actually spend, like a regular price,
So where do we get all this from?
clearance. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I do get Ava some stuff full price.
Save money. Well, it better. Walmart and Old Navy.
So these are 97 cents, 147. This should be 97 cents, 67, just because the other ones had the same price. So let's go scan all these because these are 147 each, 99 cents. These are little scarves. So her and Charlie are gonna be matching. And a lot of people won't see these and then you're just gonna walk by. Look, you got some tights here. $4.49 or $2.99, and then when you scan them, they're actually more cheaper. There's a hat for $3.47. It might be like 2 or 3. $16. $2.49. They're hats. $174. $197. And it went to $137. Tights for Ava. So you gotta scan this little barcode. $209. $244. $244. Prices are not too bad if you know you're on a budget or you don't want to spend, or you know you don't have that much money. See, $102. $1 literally.
Wow.
67 cents.
Oh, grab that.
102. Oh, let's see how much these are actually, because they said $20. Oh my gosh, look at that price. It says $16.99 and it's $1. Those are 18 to 24. 67 cents. We actually have this one, guys. So we just want to show you.
Oh, we have that.
Oh, this one's cute. I really like this one. Hopefully it's 97 cents. This one doesn't have a tag. This is like Prada. Do you see these? Are they cute?
Looks like that one is.
How much was that one?
67 cents.
This is cool. That's really big too.
Yeah, it's bigger than the one we have.
Alright guys, we just left Old Navy. As you can see, the bag. Sorry, it's kind of crazy and hectic with a lot of people everywhere, so it's hard to find a nice little spot to record. Now looking in Crate and Barrel, looking for some more baby stuff. That is really nice. That's cool. We should get that for the baby. Forget the one we're gonna get. Yeah, get that. Save money, live better. Alright guys, so look at our receipt. Looking at a receipt that long, you would assume that that's like a lot of money. But when you go to the bottom of it, really? Looking at that long receipt, what would you guys guess that cost? Yeah, we only spent $58.02 because Yola Tactics works. To save even more money, you could do this super cash.
They give it to you after a certain amount of money you spend. There's exclusions in the back. You gotta read it. Starting this date.
Oh, this is lovely. How much is that?
$140.
And how much did you get it for?
Around $20.
Where?
At Facebook Market.
Used.
Yeah, slightly.
May I let go of your hand? Bro, just close.